Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. Today I'm going to be doing just a little bit of a video showing you some makeup bits and bobs. I'm knackered, I've just run up the stairs and I should have waited a bit longer before I switched play. I'm knackered, I've just run up the stairs. Today I went to see Ashleigh because I've been meaning to go and see her for some time, but obviously we're locked down, we're not visiting or anything. But I said to Martin yesterday, drop us off at her house and I'll just talk her from the garden. So I went and said hello. She'd bought some, she's been online, she bought some P.Louise stuff. I've never had P.Louise bases. And she got us the plain one and then she said, right, I've gotten you something, but I'm not telling you what, I've gone a bit crazy and you're going to be busy. And that's all she said, she wouldn't tell us anything else. So I've known I've been going to be getting a straightforward my eye colour base, but what she's bought is out of this world. I'll show you it. It's crazy. She's a nutter, but she's an amazing nutter, honestly. She'd also put some bits and bobs aside for us in a bag, so when I got there today there wasn't just the P.Louise stuff handed to us, there was a hell of a lot. Bless her, she's lovely. She'd wiped everything down with alcohol spray, and we both had our gloves on. It was just awful because I really wanted to sit with her and yap, because I only know her from online properly, but we've spoke with each other a couple of times in real life, and she would just get on like a house on fire. And so I'm dying for lockdown to just go. We're going to have her over here for our dinner, and then I can go and have a cuppa with her before I go into work, and because she lives next to work. Oh, so it was really weird standing in the garden talking, but it's better than nothing. I got to see her, and I've got some stuff to show you, some fantastic stuff. I don't know where to start. First of all, she knew I ran out of Smashbox, so she stuck that in my box. Bless her. So I've got another one to get through. This stuff's amazing. It goes nowhere, honestly. It's crazy. This, a little sample. She was like, are your lips still dry? She was fidgeting about in boxes in her house. I could hear her through the door. And she was like, is your lips still dry? And I'm like, no, they're fine. And she still popped that in there. So we've got some Clarins instant lip comfort oil, honey, and it smells lush and it looks gorgeous. I can't wait to put that on my skin. This one here, I'm not sure. I'm frightened in case I get stoned. I don't know if you can. I don't know if I'm just being stupid here. Take your skin on a trip. Hybrid primer infuses skin with hydrating hemp-derived cannabis extract, while blue agave grips to keep makeup locked in place all day. I don't know. I'm going to try it. I'll be waiting to get high or something, I don't know. But this, I'm going to give that a go. That'll be fun. So that's that. She said, right. So she's put a couple of palettes. She says, basically, it's lockdown. You're going to be busy, Lauren. And she was laughing her head off like a maniac. She wouldn't tell us why. She's been putting bits aside for us. And honestly, she's a Fruit Loop. She really is. But she's lovely. So she's given us this to have a good play with. So we've got this here, the Beauty Crop. I've never come across the Beauty Crop before. Lovely little palette. There's some lush colours in there. Been swatching it, and look at that at the bottom. Pandora is going to be amazing. Like, honestly, hang on. Oh, wow, look at it. That is lush. Can't wait to do something with that palette. I think on me, the lives on Facebook, the last one I've done 2. Yesterday's, so just over 9,000 views. So there's so many of me old friends on there, and they don't even know I'm on YouTube. It's so sad. And they were like, oh, I can't believe you're back. It's really lovely to see you. And it's just so lovely because I remember them all from the good old days. It's crazy. It's crazy seeing their names popped up because a lot of them came to see us from me at my Sephora events. So it was really nice to catch up with everyone on there. So I'm looking forward to doing my live on there today after I've done this video for YouTube. But I'm going to be doing them on there quite often because I've got so much makeup and I don't want anything to go to waste. That would kill us. We've got to get it used, and there's so much. And I wish after lockdown I could have these all over and just have a massive makeup party in here. There's just so much. This here is super exciting. This really exciting. Look. Blue Blood, Jeffree Star. The colours in here are out of this world. It looks like a coffin. I think that's the case. It's supposed to. The black one does as well. But look at the colours in here. I can't wait to be playing with them. So you've got all your matte ones here, and that's a shimmery one. But I think I'm going to do something next with them 3. and maybe, yeah, and maybe something like that really gorgeous bright blue down here. You know me, I love blues. Blues are my favourites. Yes, I'm going to say blues, and that covers every single blue that's available. So I can't wait to play with that. In fact, we'll be doing a look out here for Facebook today, because I can't wait. This here, this got Martin excited. Martin says, I'm not into makeup, but the colours, he was like a magpie looking. So we've got this one here, the 39 Light, the Hit the Lights Morphe palette. Hang on, this drops down. Look at the colours in this thing. I'll take this off because it's shining back at the camera. Look at that. I cannot wait to, I'm going to do something neon. I've never had it. I've never done a neon look before. So we're going to do something neon. Really glad and excited about that. These here, these are very nice. I haven't seen them type of colours. That looks like old gold MAC. It's got like a reddy gold to it. That one's lush there, that highlight. But these here, I mean, look at that. Hang on. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I really can't wait, and I love the bright red. I love it all. I can't wait to play with that palette. There's just so much in it. It's I just staring at it. I just absolutely staring at it. We had to go shopping. Well, because Martin says, right, I'll drop you off at your friends. You can stand and talk at the door for a bit. I'll go and do the shopping. I'll come back and get you. But he was back straight away because the queues were like 5. They were like the whole of the Asda car park. So like, right, no, not standing in that. Plus it looked like it was going to rain. So we just come back straight away for us. I didn't get a chance to talk with her very long. But we did get to catch up a little bit. But yeah, it's a shame. What else? I'm trying to keep, yes. So also these, she said, have a try of these. Now I've got a load of makeup brushes, but some of the eyeshadow brushes, look at these. So these are Jessup. I'd never heard of them. She got that, I think she got them off Amazon. She said they're really, really good quality. Look at them. So we're going to have some fun blending with them eyeshadow brushes. They're quite thick and big for eyeshadow. They'll get pack a load on, and then I can do smaller, intricate things with smaller brushes. And then all these here. Oh, they're great big ones. I haven't unpacked them yet. I've kept them in the packet for now. But they are fantastic. And can't wait to try them out because I love different brushes. I'm a brush hoarder. In fact, I'm addicted to them. I'm addicted to sharpening pencils, organising things in pots, and just touching makeup brushes. I've got this creepy fascination with just touching brushes and washing them and drying them, looking after them. I don't know where it's come from, but lockdown's brought out the funny things in us. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like that, but it's really creepy. So that's them. Now for the P.Louise bases, I think I've just moved the camera. I've never had P.Louise bases before. And I can't believe what she's gone and she ordered just these just recently. I can't believe what she's done. She would have spent a fortune and all. Like an absolute fortune. Right. So, she said go easy because they're colourful. She wasn't kidding. Right. So we've got P.Louise. It's Mima Mitchell. Ecstasy. Is that Ecstasy? Yeah. It's like a purple. I've never played with these before, but I can't wait. Look at that. The colour on that one. I wonder if it's open. No, I've got to open them. I'll get them opened and we'll do some looks on this. I'm going to put them in the drawer so we might get a lucky dip with these. We're still doing the live lucky dip. Not lucky dip, we're still doing the live. I could do a lucky dip, I suppose. I could do, actually, no, I want to do a lucky dip on the Canon so I can zoom you in. And that's the reason I'm going to do makeup videos on the Canon. So I know you said you like to get it zoomed in so you can have a good look up close of the eyes. Because you can't really do it on this. I mean, you can see, but it's not the same. I know what you mean. This one's Ibiza. This iPhone's better than nothing at the minute. Because the Canon, I couldn't get the colour right. We're working on it. We're working on it. So that's Ibiza. And then I honestly feel like the luckiest girl alive. Like, I don't think it's even sunk in what people have done for us. It's just absolutely mad. And they're just so kind. I just hope that I can give back. I know people say they enjoy my videos, but it just, I can never give this much thanks back to each and every one of you that have helped us. Do you know what I mean? It's hard for us to explain. I wish I could explain better. This pink raver, look at the colour of that one. That is going to go really funny on the eyes. This one is, I like Nitro. Nitro is like a turquoise. Look at that. I can't wait. I might do a swatch video and stick it on Instagram. So if you check my Instagram out, I'll put them all on. I'll put them all on Instagram for you to have a little peek at. This one's Ecstasy. Ah, she's got two. Two? Really? Yes, we've got two Ecstasies. It's too dark. I bet you one of them was hers. Bless her, she'll have given us hers, wouldn't she? I'll have to check whether I think she has. So I've got two Ecstasies. Yeah, I think she's given us one of hers. Is that the right? Yeah. And then we've got Glow Girl. Like a darker reddish pink. It's lovely. I can't wait to see what they look like, you know. I'll put them boxes safe. Then it just keeps going. I couldn't believe it. So we've got a full pack of P.Louise stuff. And I know it's just full of bases, primers, and I mean, she's laughing because she said I'm going to be kept busy with this lot. You're not kidding. I'll just want to sit here all day and put makeup all over my face, but I don't know what to do. I don't know which look to do first. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. And then look, the P.Louise brushes. I've never had these before. I think the P.Louise Acid Rain brushes. Never had these before. Can't wait, and that'll be to do the cut crease. I'm looking forward to that. So I think somewhere in here is the base I picked. I only said I wanted one base, you know. She's crazy. Rumour. So we've got this one here. I don't know if that's the actual base. It looks a bit white, that. But we've got Rumour. Looks lovely, mind. And then we've got black. Oh, wow. She's just absolutely ran with this lot. Then we've got that one there, the pinky one. This one's Winter Rose. Beautiful. She said you don't need a lot, so we don't need a lot. Look at the colour of that one. That one is P.Louise. No, it's not. It's Rude Boy Red. I'm reading the wrong bit. Look at that. I'll take an apple red. Then what we got? Oh, look at this one. Prime and Define. You're glowing. Cosmetic base. Babe, you'll always be my partner in prime. Oh, I like that. That's going to be lush. That reminds me of the old MAC. Is it Cake Shop? The shade sticks thing. Oh, wow. Look at that. Lovely. That's going to go great with Blue Blood. And so will that turquoisey one. Oh. So a hint of mint. And that one was Touch of Frost. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. I cannot wait. Vivid Violet. Look at that. Oh, right. So these are the little ones. So these are the little hooked up. That's a gold. The last one was like a silver. I'm going to do loads of swatches and stick them up on Instagram for you, because Instagram's good for tiny little videos. And I know a lot of you are following us on there now. Oops, hang on, we've got another one. No Games. That looks very similar. Slightly different. That's lush. That is lush. And then we've got OTT Orange. Oh, I love a good orange look. I do. And then this one here. Oh, that's super gold. This one is Extra As F. I've got to be careful, I can't swear because Martin's mum might be watching. That is lush. Oh, wow. So these are super cute, the little ones. How many bases you've sent, Ashleigh? Wow. I can't even believe it. She says pick a colour. So I picked a colour and she just ran with it. How can I ever thank you for this, Ashleigh? Really? How can I? It's crazy. You're super, super precious. Do you know that? You really are. I can't even begin to comment. It's mad. It's crazy. I don't know what to say. As I get so choked up, like proper choked. Feeling choked up right now because this is lovely. I honestly do feel like the most luckiest person in the absolute world. Wow. Wow. Right. I'm going to go and I'm going to get some makeup on. And I don't know what I'm going to start with first. There's just so much to start with. Oh, I'm also on here. I'm going to do a tutorial. There's something I've been wanting to do. Because you know how I got into my brows and I've been playing with my pear soap and my spoolie and that. And I've been like sticking them up. I want to do the fox look. But I'm not shaving my brow off. It's a massive trend. And it's to do with like, is it Kendra or Kylie Jenner? Kylie, is it Kylie Jenner? I don't know, all, you know, them. And then you've got Bella Hadid, and they've all got like the eyebrows where it's, well, some say that they've had injections and Botox and everything's like pop that up here, and then beautiful winged liner, and then these brows don't even have an arch, they're just straight like that. It's a love or hate, it's a Marmite thing, but I actually think it looks quite nice and it's different. So I'm going to try my hand at it and see how I get on. I've been mucking about with this one, I'm halfway there. This one needs a bit more. Do you know what I mean? But if I get some sellotape, we'll get some sellotape and we'll just stick it back. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll get some liner on. We'll do some proper eyeliner videos. Because usually when I'm just doing a makeup, like I just get the pen and go like that. But it's been a while since I've done like a proper feline cat look. And it takes a lot of time and effort because I do one eye great and then I kind of do the other one. But anyway, we'll get there. I really hope you've enjoyed this little video. Pop over to Facebook. I'll put all the links in the description box. I'd love to see you there. I'm loving the lives. I'm loving the interaction. This doesn't feel interactive to me, and this is always what I wanted about YouTube, because I came on to not only show what I was doing with the products, but to make friends. And so I love the live aspect. I love the interaction. I love how you can talk to us. And I did an Instagram one, and people joined us inside the live, and I didn't know what that was all about. It was brilliant. So yeah, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. And if you can think of any other way to make it more interactive, come on, let us know. Leave some comments. I'm all ears. Right, I hope you are staying safe, having a great day. Look forward to the weekend, and I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.